Jack, hey, shot in the dark. Could I borrow all your clothes?
Oh, sorry, bud. Well, I'm kind of using my clothes.
Oh, yeah. Well, how about your cardigan as a diaper?
But then, my favorite sweater is a diaper.
Yeah, it's...
You're putting me in a tough spot.
I am. I had to try.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Here's your coffee, you lucky duck. I can't have coffee past Monday or I'll be up all week.
I am sorry I'm late. I was finishing a burrito.
You said it was a quesadilla. And school sucks ass? I would certainly not call this an incident-free inspection. See you next month.
Okay, so this is probably too big of a clue. I'm Diego Rivera, so Miss Wagner is...
Bert from Sesame Street?
No. What famous artist from history are we? Here's another clue. Bus accident. Nothing? All right, how about this? Everyone write down a few ideas of who you think it could be.
Dot, dot,
okay?
dash, 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 dot, dot, dash, 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 dash.
Tapping is driving me crazy. Or as Frida Kahlo would say, loco. Anyone want to guess why I brought her up?